Hey, did you know that Mini Brands has now KFC? I think that's pretty cool. They also have these totally useless to me frozen moments. Oh, I don't know. I just don't like them. Let's cut this thing open and take a look, see what we have inside. Instead of getting the little wedge-shaped ones, you get a two-piece sphere with 5 bags inside of it, and each bag holds a mini brand. This one feels like a bucket of chicken. The detail on this is really nice. I like it. I think it's chicken wings, chicken nuggets, something like that. There should be a collector's guide in here somewhere, which would kind of help. So let's pull that out and check it out real fast. That's the thing I like about Mini Brands. It has the collector's guides. Some of these Mini Brands I really don't care for, especially the legendary gold things. Kind of useless to me. These other ones could be useful. I'm not sure about the frozen moment ones. Not a lot to choose from. Looks like I got a common bucket of chicken. Okay, let's keep going. This one is another bucket of chicken. Looks like this one's a dark meat, maybe wings or drumsticks. Probably drumsticks. I think it's this one, but I'm not sure. Because if that's the case, it's a rare. Looks like it's probably a common. And then the next bag, it has this little wrap. This is cool because it's wrapped in actual paper. And the detail on this is pretty cool. I really like it. If we check the collector's guide, it appears to be a ultra rare. Weird. Who would have thought I got ultra rare, my first one I ever opened? I checked the guide real fast and it is indeed ultra rare. Wow. Let's keep going. Let's open another one. This one has one of those bowls of chicken, or bowls, I can't remember what they're called. But it's pretty cool. If we check our collector's guide here, it appears to be a ultra rare. So I got 2 ultra rares. Not too bad. Let's open the last one. This one is a box of chicken. Looks like chicken wings. That's pretty cool. And according to our guide, it is a luxury. Ooh. And then you get these 2 plastic domes and 5 Mini Brands. These are not too bad. I really like the fast food Mini Brands. I think they'll come in very handy, very useful for my photo stories. And I think they're pretty cool. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. I'd love to hear your input. Don't forget to click that like button if you like this video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'd really appreciate it. And until next time, don't forget to collect, inspire, and create. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.